The Akita Inu, Japanese pronunciation, Akita In, is a large breed of dog originating from the mountainous regions of northern Japan. There are two separate varieties of Akita, a Japanese strain, commonly called Akita Inu. Inu means dog in Japanese, or Japanese Akita, and an American strain, known as the Akita or American Akita. 2. The Japanese strain comes in a narrow palette of colors, with all other colors considered atypical of the breed, while the American strain comes in all dog colors. 3. The Akita has a short double coat similar to that of many other northern Spitz breeds such as the Siberian Husky, but long-coated dogs can also be found in many litters due to a recessive John. The Akita is a powerful, independent and dominant breed, commonly aloof with strangers but affectionate with family members. As a breed, Akitas are generally hardy. Akita Inu is a 100% decentralized community experiment with it claims that one-half the tokens have been sent to Vitalik Buterin and the other half were locked to a Uniswap pool and the keys burned. Community Akita is an experiment in decentralized, community-driven, no founders, no team tokens. This group's purpose is to allocate skills within the community to appropriate roles in ATIKA development and collectively agree on decisions for ATIKA's future. Meme-based like crypto, memes were born on the internet and have journeyed from the fringes to the mainstream. They used to drive the adoption of cryptocurrency, signal bullishness or bearishness on certain assets or coins by traders, and even boost the value of tokens. Akita token is now live on the Ethereum mainnet. The token address for Akita is hexadecimal 3301E63F2,363F2466ACB46 Candelas 8323E6. Be cautious not to purchase any other token with a smart contract different from this one, as this can be easily faked. We strongly advise to be vigilant and stay safe throughout the launch. Don't let the excitement get the best of you. Just be sure you have enough Ether in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. You will have to first buy one of the major cryptocurrencies, usually either Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, Binance BNB. We will use Binance Exchange here as it is one of the largest crypto exchanges that accept fiat deposits. Once you finish the KYC process, you will be asked to add a payment method. Here you can either choose to provide a credit debit card or use a bank transfer, and buy one of the major cryptocurrencies, usually either Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, Binance BNB. The live Akita Inu price today is $0.00003 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $46,838, 138 United States dollars. We update our Akita to USD price in real time. Akita Inu is up 35.73% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 2,697, with a live market cap of not available. Akita Inu Chu Tian Quan is a 100% decentralized community experiment with it claims that one-half the tokens have been sent to Vitalik Buterin and the other half were locked to a Uniswap pool and the keys burned. It is same as Shiba Inu but with different token metrics. Inspired by Elon Musk and Dogecoin, when you want to sell your Akita Inu tokens, simply go back to Uniswap and convert your tokens to Ethereum. Once the Ethereum is credited to your crypto wallet, you can send the Ether tokens to any cryptocurrency exchange to cash out of your investment. You can buy an Akita from a show breeder, who breeds Akitas to match a detailed standard of appearance for the dog show ring. You can also buy an Akita from people who just breed pets, or just had one litter. But should you? Be sure to read the article to learn more about these people. Image result: while they look similar, the Akita and Shiba Inu differ in size. The Shiba Inu and the Akita are similar in their appearance, mainly because they are both Spitz-type dogs. The Shiba Inu is a small-sized dog compared to the Akita, who is large to a giant-sized dog. The current price of Akita Inu, Akita, is USD 0.000022. 24-hour trading volume of Akita is 19,226,200 United States dollars at exchange markets. Last week the price of Akita Inu has increased by 31.67%. The price of the cryptocurrency has decreased by 6.77% in the last 24 hours. The data on the price of Akita Inu, Akita, and other related information presented on this website is obtained automatically from open sources, therefore we cannot warrant its accuracy. COINCOST is in no way related to the cryptocurrency Akita Inu, its developers and representatives. How and where to buy Akita Inu tokens online. To buy Akita Inu coin, simply sign up to a reliable trading platform, deposit funds, then purchase the number of tokens you want to hold. We feel the two options below are the best platforms to buy, sell and trade Akita Inu crypto thanks to their low fees and quality customer service. eToro is one of the world's leading multi-asset trading platforms, offering some of the lowest commission and fee rates in the industry. Its social copy trading features make it a great choice for those getting started. Binance has grown exponentially since it was founded in 2017 and is now one of, if not the biggest, cryptocurrency exchanges on the market. Should I buy Akita Inu coin? If you're comfortable with the elevated level of risk associated with meme coin assets, and you believe Akita Inu has the credentials to take the market by storm, buying some Akita tokens now and holding them could be a good way to speculate on long-term price accretion. Just be cognizant of the risks and volatility that come with cryptocurrency, and ensure that you carry out your own due diligence. Akita Inu price prediction. If you are wondering what price Akita will be in 2021 and beyond, here is our Akita price prediction. $0.0000235 this year, up to $0.0000273 by 2022, and $0.0000054 within 5